Good morning, students. Welcome to the online education organized by Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Myself, social study expert teacher, Mrs. Sujata Arvind Gaikwad from Goshala Marg, Mumbai Public School. Today our subject is civics, chapter number 5, districts administration. Student, before start the topic, just recap the previous knowledge. Number 1, function of district collector. Number 2, Tehsildar is the judicial officer to maintain peace in the taluka. Number 3, the police commissioner has the responsibility to maintain law and order. Number 4, district courts gives judgment on district level. Now student, what you see in this picture? Yes student, tell me.
Earthquake.
Very good.
Earthquake.
Very good. It's an earthquake. Now see the next picture. What you see in this picture?
Flood.
Yes, very good. It's a flood. Now, what do you understand from the above two pic? Yes, the given two picture shows what?
Earthquake and flood.
Yes, very good. The above two pic shows earthquake and the flood. So from these two pictures, we conclude that they are natural disaster which occurs naturally. Let's see what is disaster. Who will read this first line? Can anyone read the first point?
Disaster means a loss of humans, lives, and displacement of people beside hazardous financial loss.
Very good. Very good, student. Disaster means a loss of human lives and displacement of people beside hazardous financial loss. Now, who will try the next one? Who will read?
There are two types of disaster. First, natural disaster. Second, man-made disaster.
Very good. There are two types of disasters. A, natural disasters and man-made disaster. Okay, we'll see this in detail. Natural disaster. Natural disaster is the major adverse event resulting from natural process of the earthquake. For example, flood, earthquake, volcanic eruption, cyclones, etc. etc. Natural disaster cause great damage or loss of life. In short, natural disaster happens naturally. Student, identify the picture showing some natural disaster. Can anyone identify the first picture? Yes. Identify the first picture.
Volcano blast.
Okay, volcano blast. Okay. Can anyone else? Is it volcano blast? Okay.
Forest has fire.
Very good. It's forest fire. Very good. Now, identify the second picture.
Flood.
Very good. It's a flood. Good one. Now, who will identify the third picture?
Teacher, tsunami.
Yes. Very good. It's a tsunami. Good one. Now, the last picture. Who will identify this?
Teacher, earthquake.
Very good. So, these all are the examples of natural disaster. Now, let's see the man-made disaster. Who will read this sentence?
Man-made disasters are the disaster occasioned due to manpower or the main resource behind the disaster is man only, e.g. crime, treasures, war, etc.
Yes, good try. Very good. So, man-made disaster are the disaster occurs due to manpower, or the main reason behind the disaster is man only. For example, crime, terrorism, war, cyber attack, or the cyber crime, etc. The world's worst man-made disaster was Bhopal gas. Bhopal gas tragedy. In this tragedy, 15,000 people lost their life and more than 6 lakhs people are affected due to toxic gas. Student, now identify the given pictures of the man-made disaster. Can anyone identify the first picture?
War.
Yes. Okay, let's anyone try again? The first one. See the first picture?
Terrorist.
Yes, very good. It is terrorism. Now, who will identify the next one, the second picture?
War.
Yes, very good. It's a war. So both the pictures are explain man-made disaster. Now student, do you know who helped people at this dangerous situation? Is it you or me? No, it is disaster management team who rescue people during disaster. So student, today I am going to teach you disaster management and patterns. So before start the topic, let's see learning outcomes or objective of this lesson. Number 1, disaster management. Number 2, types of pattern. Types of pattern number 1, A1 is Lakhina pattern, B, Darvi pattern, and C, Chahande pattern. Now see the disaster management. Who will read the first point?
Disaster management first. Disaster leads to loss of human lives and displacement of people beside more physical loss.
Very good. Now who will read the next?
Disaster management is the process which enables one to force a disaster in a secretive and organized manner.
Very good. Very good. Now the next point, who will try?
Technology make it possible for us to get prior information about several kinds of disaster.
Okay. Now see, what is the disaster management? Very good, student. You read very fluently. Good. Now the first one, disaster management lead to loss of human lives and displacement of people beside more financial loss. Number 2, disaster management is the process which enable one to face a disaster in a scientific and organized manner. Number 3, advanced technology makes it possible for us to get prior information about several kinds of disaster. For example, cyclones. Now, in short, disaster management is a team or a unit which save people's life during disaster. Let's see how disaster works in emergency. How does disaster management works during earthquake? Now, who will read the first sentence?
They are removing the secret pieces of metal and steel after earthquake.
Yes, very good. Very good. Here, the scattered means the matters laying here and there. That means scattered. Now, who will read the second one?
Also, the people who get strung under a heavy metal load is removed using magnetic crane.
Yes, very good, student. Now, the people who were stuck under the heavy metal, they are removed by magnetic cranes. Now, see this picture. Disaster management teams works 24 hours at the time of earthquake and save life of people by taking proper safety measures. Now see the next. How does disaster management works during flood? Who will read this?
During flood condition, disaster management help people by shifting them to a safe place.
Yes. During flood condition, disaster management helps people by shifting them to a safe place. Very good. Very good, student. Now next, who will read? The next point.
They are using a raft for this work.
Very good. Now, what is the meaning of raft? Raft is a type of boat specially used by rescue team. You can see in this picture, see, it is a raft. Now, the third one.
During flood condition, disaster magnet helps people by shifting them to a safe place.
Okay, okay, good, good. Now, third one who are going to read. Third point.
They also provide food and clothes.
Very good. So, see the picture. Student, all of you see the picture. Disaster management, rescue people and provide them basic needs like food, clothes, shelter, etc. Okay. Now see the next question. How does disaster management work during fire? Number one, disaster management rescue people from fire by risking their life. Number two, they use cranes for saving people at a certain height. Number three, they put off the fire using water retention tankers. Number four, they use a special fireproof jacket. See in this picture. Disaster management team rescue the people who stuck in the fire by risking their life. See. Now tell me, while doing such a risky task, which kit they use for their safety? What they are using for their safety? Can anybody tell me? Yes. What type of kit they are using for their safety?
Special fireproof jacket.
Very good. Special fireproof jacket. Very good. And think. Everyone think. I want more answer.
Helmet.
Yes. Very good. Helmet. Okay, good one. Next. Think about it, student.
Water tankers.
Yes, water tankers. Okay.
And a crane.
Yes, crane. Very good. Now let's see. Kit of disaster management team. Number one, they wear a special helmet with a flashlight to see in the dark. Number 2, they wear a special life jacket that highlights in the dark so that people can easily identify them in the dark. And third one, they also use a special rope which is made up of nylon. Now you can see the picture. These are the kids of the disaster management team. Now, the most important kit is first aid in the case of any injuries. Now, student, you should also keep a first aid kit with you. See the next PPT. Now, precautions to be taken during disaster. Number 1, stay in the safe area or shelter during a earthquake. Number 2, stay away from buildings, street lights, and utility wires. Now, what is the meaning of utility? It's a cable wire. Number 3, be alert to be changing weather conditions. Number 4, listen to the TV, radio for the latest updates. Number 5, if your vehicle is tapped in flood and water start filling inside the car, seek. Seek means search or refuge. Refuge means safe place. On the roof means search safe place on the car roof. So student, it is very important to know about precautions during natural disaster for your safety. Student, what you see in this picture?
Thunder.
Yes, it's thundering and
Raining.
very good. It's raining. Now, tell me, what will you do in such situation? What you will do? Think.
Teacher, we will use umbrella
Yes, you will use umbrella. Very good.
and raincoat.
Raincoat. Good.
We stay at home.
Very good. You should stay at home. Very good. And what about the lightning and thundering?
When lightning, we do not use mobile.
Very good. Very good, student. Good one. Yes. Anyone else?
And we do not use any steel things also.
Very good. Excellent, beta. Very good. Now, during this situation, when you are outdoor means when you are outside, you have to take shelter as early as possible. Next, stay away from trees, street lights, and cables. And switch off your cell phone. This is very important. Same way, if you are at home, then immediately switch off the electrical appliances. Now, important toll numbers during emergency. Who will read this? Important toll numbers. It's a toll numbers.
Important toll number during emergency. First, police 100, fire brigade 101, ambulance 102 or 108, women safety 103 or 1091, railway helpline number 139.
Very good. Student, save these important toll numbers in your cell phone or else note down in your notebook and stick somewhere in your house. It is very, very important toll numbers. Our next objectives is pattern and their types. Pattern. Now, what is the meaning of pattern? Pattern are the various type of attempts to make reforms in the administration. What is the meaning of attempts? Attempts means efforts and reforms means changes. Point 2. In Maharashtra, many officers have made serious attempts to bring about reforms in the administration. Number 3, their experiments have helped to citizens to form a favorable opinion about the administration. So in short, pattern means administrative officer put their efforts to make changes in administration which becomes favorable for the citizen. Now types of pattern. Who will read this, student? Read this types of pattern.
Types of pattern.
pattern,
Lakhina pattern.
pattern,
Dalvi pattern. Chahande pattern.
Chahande. Yes. Chahande pattern. Yes, the type. Very good. Very good. So type of patterns are Lakhina pattern, Dalvi pattern and Chahande pattern. Now see this in detail. Lakhina pattern. Shri Anil Kumar Lakhina brought many reforms when he was the district collector of Ahmednagar to increase the quality of public service. Number 2, these are known as Lakhina pattern. 3, he also started single window system so that administration work of the people can be completed under one roof. Number 4, so Lakhina pattern based on single window system. Just remember this word, single window system. See, this is the photo of Shri Anil Kumar Lakhina, district collector of Ahmednagar. Now see the next pattern. Dalvi pattern. The administrative reforms implemented by Shri Chandrakant Dalvi when he was district collector of Pune are known as Dalvi pattern. This pattern is also called as zero pendency pattern. The objective of the reform was to speed up decision making by ensuring that the files were not allowed to stuck up and that they will deal and receive on the same day. So Dalvi pattern is based on zero pendency pattern. Just remember, Dalby pattern is based on zero pendency pattern. See the photo of Shri Chandrakant Dalvi, IAS officer of Pune. See the last pattern, Chahande pattern. Number 1, when Dr. Sanjay Chahande was the divisional commissioner of Nashik, he implemented certain reforms which are known as Chahande pattern. Number 2, he implemented Gramastha Din to reduce the gap between people and administration, to increase the responsibility of the administration towards the people, and to give more importance to the development work through the people's participation. So, Chahande pattern is based on Gramastha Din, or it is said as a Villagers' Day also. See the photo. Dr. Sanjay Chahande, Divisional Commissioner of Pune. Let's see the tree diagram of patterns. So there are the 3 types of pattern: Lakhina pattern, Dalvi pattern, and Chahande pattern. Lakhina pattern implemented by Shri Anil Kumar Lakhina, and the main concept of this pattern is single window pattern. Now the next one, Dalvi pattern. Dalvi pattern implemented by Chandrakant, Shri Chandrakant Dalvi, and the main concept of this pattern is zero pendency. Okay, now the last one. Last one is Chahande pattern, and implemented by Shri Sanjay Chahande. The main concept of this pattern is Gramastha Din. Student, today we have learned about number 1, disaster means loss of human life and also hazardous financial loss. Number 2, disaster are 2 types, namely natural and man-made disaster. Number 3, disaster management is a team or a unit which help people during disaster. Number 4, 3 patterns implement for reforms are A, Lakhina pattern, B, Dalvi pattern, C, Chahande pattern. So student, I'm going to ask few questions based on today's topic. Who will read the first question? Yes, who will read?
Name any 2 types of disasters.
Very good. Now who will answer this question?
Teacher, earthquake, flood.
Very good. Very good. Now see the next question. Who will read this question?
First, Sri Anil Kumar Lakhani. And
Yes.
question is who implemented Lakhani pattern?
Yes, who implemented Lakhina pattern. So the answer is number 1, Shri Anil Kumar Lakhina. Now see the next question. Who will read this question?
War.
Which one of the following is natural disaster?
Very
Which
good.
one of the following is natural disaster?
So, from the given option, which one is a natural disaster? Crime,
Fourth,
war?
earthquake.
Very good. It's earthquake. Very good, student. Now see the fourth question. Who will read?
Which of following is man-made disaster? First, floods. Second, earthquake. Third, war.
Yes. So which one is a man-made disaster? Which is the correct option?
War.
Yes, very good. It's war. Now next. Who will read this?
Which pattern is also called as zero pendency pattern? Dolby pattern, Chahande pattern, Lakhina pattern.
Yes, what is the correct option? Who will give the answer?
Pattern.
Yes, very good. Excellent. It's Dalvi pattern. Now the assignment. Collect the information regarding any two disaster and their precautions. Complete your assignment and show to your class teacher. Thank you, student. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and wish you a Happy New Year. Bye.
Happy New Year, Miss. Bye.
Bye, teacher.